Hi, imagine that artificial intelligence with but what will happen to humans because of AI in 2025? How many people will have their jobs replaced by AI? Let's see find it. According to the Cognitive Today website, retail industry displacement ratio is 30%, manufacturing 20%, transportation 50%, financial services 28%, customer service 40%. It's risky. If you do not adapt to this era, your jobs definitely replaced by AI. Do you know Charles Darwin? He said that it is not the strongest of the species that survives, but the most adapted. We are currently at the beginning of a new era. So let's go to the Forbes website. The Forbes website tells that fears about AI job loss justified. The Forbes website analyzed 10 jobs. Let's read that. Programmers. The analysis predicts that programming careers will decline by 10%. Decline by 10%. Okay. The software developers. The fact that this field has a predicted 26% employment increase between 2023 and 2033. It's positive point. So why software developers got positive point? Because according to the finding, despite AI's ability to execute technical elements, the human input is crucial, requiring imagination, inventive problem solving and analytical thinking. I got it. So what is the difference between programmer and software developer? Programmer involve only coding, only coding, but software developer involve the entire software development life cycle. That means he enter the planning, designing, implementation, testing, deployment and maintenance. So I will put these all resources in the description below, then you can read more details about from that. So would you like to know what you need to do to adapt this new AI driven era? Subscribe this LionAI YouTube channel. Apart from that, LionAI will publish more valuable apps. Then if you subscribe this YouTube channel, you will quickly find out this publish app by LionAI.